Update. So it's been 36 and a half hours since the injury, about 36 hours since the treatment. I went to an urgent care yesterday morning to request a round of antibiotics. Shut up, Bubberscree. And I got refused. So, oh, you need a CT scan, you need to go to the hospital, you need more than we can do. That's for my neck. But anyhow, and I've cleaned this up a little bit because it's still been leaking, as you can see around the edges. But honestly, it feels better to me. Now we're starting to see some of the coloration from the bruising. So it's showing that it bled internally and leaked on down to here a little bit, looks like. I was wondering, can I use contact lenses? And this was really painful yesterday. It's not as painful today, so it's a sign that we're moving in the right direction. Honestly, I think I could probably take number 3 off here. This guy came on first, the middle one, but he was straight down onto my eyelid. And then I put on this guy second from the bottom, pushed the meat up in place, and pushed this guy on, and pushed this guy on, and pulled him up here. He's doing all the heavy lifting, or a lot of it. He's doing the second most heavy lifting. He's doing the third most.